Alright, I'm going to try the impossible. I'm way up in the air. What I'm going to try to do is take everybody for a trip down this ladder and show them my world. Just to show you how high I am. I'm up there. Alright. Now I need to climb this railing to get on the ladder and go. And I'm going to try and do this holding my camera. I don't know how successful I'm going to be. I might have to shut it off. But I'll grab my tools. Zip up the bag. Alright. Now I need to climb over the railing. Bear with me. Okay, I'm on the other side of the railing. I need to grab my bag of tools. Hello. This is what it looks like going down. Fun. Alright. We'll start the trip down the ladder. Okay. Alright, I'm coming to the edge of the roof. Now I need to go over the edge. It'd probably be better if you could see the look on my face as I'm doing this. It might be more comical. There. Now I need to go down that ladder to that roof. I'm kind of sitting on this one. There's the one I just came down. There's the cupola I was in. Alright, let's make the next step down. This is harder to do with a camera in your hand. And it's 100% safe, or I wouldn't do it. just came down that. It's getting closer to the ground. And I need to walk across this fragile slate roof without breaking any of them, and sliding straight towards the gutter if they break, me and the tile. Here's my hole that I need to get in where it's safe. And that's it. Then I climb through the attic and get back to my truck. And that's a day in the life of Jim White. Thanks for riding along.